How to turn off comments on Facebook posts. To disable comments on a Facebook post, start by navigating to the post you want to control. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post to open the menu. Then select Who can comment on this post. From there, choose profiles and pages you mention to effectively turn off comments entirely, since no one will be mentioned and therefore no one can respond. If you'd prefer to limit comments rather than block them completely, you can select options like Friends to allow only people on your friends list to leave a comment. This gives you quick and easy control over who can interact with your posts. If you want to stop people from commenting on your Facebook post, you can try doing this. It gives you more control over your content and keeps conversations on your terms. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.